Attention to detail, intricate hand drawings, and a slow, years-long, careful process. This is what many animated movies usually entail, like the ones from the famed Studio Ghibli. But last week, all of it changed. OpenAI launched its advanced AI image generator, and you all know what happened next. Users quickly began using it. They rendered image after image. They turned everything from memes to selfies into copies of the Japanese studio's work. And they flooded social media with Ghibli-style images. This spurred a global outage of ChatGPT over the weekend and forced its top boss to say, "Please chill, this is insane." Critics agree, indeed it is, because this viral imitation trend raises a range of concerns. Moral and legal ones, and more importantly, privacy concerns. Tonight we'll talk about that last bit, your data's privacy. Experts say that it may have gone for a toss here. Let us understand why. OpenAI has a privacy policy. It clearly states that the company collects the data that users feed it. Then it uses this data to train its AI models. So when you voluntarily upload your original personal images on ChatGPT, you expose facial data via pictures. You give OpenAI consent to process those images, your family photos, pictures of your home, pictures of your children, whatever it is that you have uploaded. OpenAI has free and easy access to all the pictures that you have voluntarily shared with it. Safe to say this is a serious safety concern, so experts are sounding an alarm. They say that the free-for-all Ghibli cuteness may come at a cost. Tech giants train their models without disclosing details, and this tech itself is new. So who knows what AI training involves exactly? Your photo could be misused. It could be manipulated. It could be sold for targeted ads. If the data is stolen, it could even end up on the dark web. And if this sounds scary, that's because it is. None of these risks are unprecedented. Have you heard of 𝗿𝗺 This is an American startup. It deals with facial recognition. Last year, it was fined $33 million by a Dutch watchdog. The company was scraping billions of images from social media without people's consent, compiling them into a database and then selling them. Similarly, last year, an Australian company called 𝗏𝗏 suffered a data breach. It had facial scans, driving licenses, addresses of 1 million people. All this data was stolen. Like I said, it is scary. And this is not just about your pictures. It is about all kinds of data, like your health data. Let's look at another tech giant, Apple. Apple is revamping